Hi folks, welcome to the second segment of our series. What I'd like to show you next is how to set your clock and also set up your favorite music stations, both of which are very easy to do. Now remember in the orientation video we talked about multiple ways to do things. Well, setting the clock is a perfect example. You could go through the configuration or the settings button there, but let me just show you a shortcut which is perfect for those daylight savings time changes. To save a step, just go right down to the faceplate and press the clock button. It jumps right to it. Now from there, it's as easy as pressing the up and down arrows on the screen to set your exact time. Now once you've completed setting the time, you can actually do the exact same for the date. To set and change the date, you just press the date button on the lower left, and the same idea. Pressing up and down allows you to set your exact date as well. Now once you're complete, press the OK button, or on some screens it will say done. But by pressing OK, you've now set everything up. Okay, let's talk about setting up your favorites. You can actually set up to 6 pages of favorites with 6 different stations on each page. Yes, that is a total of 36 different presets. That's a lot to go around. Also, the presets can be a mixture of AM, FM, or XM channels all on the same page, making it easy to jump to your favorite. But you actually don't need to have all 6 pages set up onto your screen. If you only need a couple of pages, say you only really needed at most 12 presets, well, let me show you how you can actually turn off some of those extra favorites page. Now another choice for you here, you could go through the settings button or the configuration button on the touch screen, or you can press the config button down on the faceplate. Both really bring up the exact same thing. Now what you're looking for now is the radio settings option. Again, you could press the button or simply scroll down using that menu select option. Now once you get to your choice, you can touch the screen or push in the button. Now from there, you can see almost all the way down there is the number of favorites pages. And what you want to do is select that. Now you can see a bunch of choices here. The next screen up allows you to actually select the number of pages. Again, if you only needed 2 or 3 at most, all you have to do is touch that one to turn it on. And that means now I would only have, for this example, 3 favorites pages. Now from there, remember how to get back to the home? You just simply press the home button on the top and it brings you right back. Now setting up your actual favorite stations now is very easy to do, and you're likely very familiar with the process since it isn't very different from any other GM vehicle that you've had in the past. Just start off by selecting one of the radio sources. It could be AM, FM, or XM. In this case, I'll choose FM. And then you can navigate to the best station or the one that you want to actually select it. And I use the seek buttons below, but you could use different options on your screen. Now when you get to that station, you can then just press and hold one of the touchscreen buttons down on the lower bottom of the screen. When you hold it just for a couple of seconds, you'll hear a beep, and then you're all set. That favorite has been selected. And you can do it for any one of the 6 down the bottom part of your screen on this first page, and also any additional pages that you have set up. It's the exact same way, just one quick touch of that button and you've set all of your favorite stations. So there you have it. Your clock is correct and your stations are now ready to go. Like anything else with these color touchscreens, it is very easy to get used to no matter what the task is. So be sure to watch all of our videos throughout this whole setup process, because we're going to walk you through a lot of the other capabilities. So we'll see you soon in all the different segments.